Look at Sarah. She is in her backyard. The grass is very tall and messy. There are branches and twigs on the ground. Sarah is picking up the branches. She looks very sad, very tired. She is thinking about the fight. Sarah says, I am not happy today. My yard is a mess and I am alone. She looks at the fence. The fence is still there. Now look at Mark. Mark is on the other side of the fence. His yard is different. His grass is short and clean. He has a green lawnmower. But look at Mark's face. He is also very tired. He has messy hair and dark circles under his eyes. He is walking toward the fence. Mark thinks, I need to talk to Sarah. I don't want to fight anymore. Now we see both of them. Mark is on the right. Sarah is on the left. The fence is in the middle. Mark calls out, Sarah, Sarah, can you hear me? But Sarah does not look at him. She is walking away. She is walking toward her house. She is giving him the cold shoulder. That means she is ignoring him. She is still angry. Mark does not stop. He stays at the fence. Mark says, Sarah, please listen. I was wrong yesterday. Sarah stops walking. She turns around. She is listening now. Mark explains, it's not what you think. When you saw Laura and I on the couch together, I was explaining to her that things were over between us. I know how it looked for you, and I want to say I'm sorry. Mark and Sarah move closer to the fence. They are very close now. Mark tells the truth. He says, Sarah, Laura is gone now. She understands that I want to be with you. I don't want to be with Laura. I want you in my life. Sarah looks at him. She sees that he has tears in his eyes. She starts to feel sorry for him. Sarah puts her hand on the fence. Sarah says, it is okay, Mark. I am sorry too. I walked away without giving you a chance to explain. I assumed the worst about you. They are both relaxing now. They are not angry. Now look, they are not separated by the fence anymore. They walk toward each other and meet in the middle. Mark says, I'm sorry again, Sarah. I didn't mean to make you worry. I haven't been interested in Laura in a long time. I am only interested in you. Mark reaches out and takes Sarah's hands. They are standing very close. Mark says, thank you, Sarah, for listening. Sarah smiles. She is happy now. The fight is over. They are peaceful. It is a beautiful moment. But then something happens. the feeling changes. Mark looks at his house, then he looks at Sarah. He looks very nervous. Mark asks, Sarah, we are so good together. I know that I want to be with you. Will you move in with me? Sarah's shocked. She is not smiling. She does not say yes. She does not say no. Sarah just says, oh. She looks very unsure. Is this too fast? Is she ready? We don't know. And that is the end of season 1. What a cliffhanger. Does Sarah agree to move in? Or does she stay in her own place? We will find out in season 2. Thank you for watching and learning English with me through comprehensible input. Don't forget to practice these phrasal verbs, move in and work out. If you enjoyed this season, please like this video and subscribe to get notified when season 2 is released. And while you wait for season 2, please tell me in the comments, do you think Sarah will agree to move in with Mark? We will find out in the next season. See you there.